All right, good morning, everybody. We got a nice spot right here in the middle. Should I just move down? Okay. All right. Hey, I want to tell you about one of my favorite cartoons. Do you guys like cartoons? You guys don't like cartoons, do you? You do? I want to tell you one of my favorite cartoons is called The Peanuts. Have you guys ever seen The Peanuts? There's a special character in The Peanuts. His name is Charlie Brown. Raise your hand if you know who Charlie Brown is. Oh man, we got to get these kids watching some Charlie Brown. Congregate, okay, kids, look back. Raise your hand, parents, if you know about Charlie Brown. Look, everyone look behind you. Look at all these hands. Everyone, we love Charlie Brown. Now, there's this thing that happens in a lot of the different Charlie Brown stories. Charlie Brown is this boy, and there's this friend of his named Sally. And something happens a whole bunch in their stories together, where Sally goes to Charlie Brown and says, Charlie Brown, would you like to kick this football? Have you guys seen this? Is it starting to ring a bell now? Yeah? Okay, so Sally says, would you like to kick this football? And time again, Charlie Brown goes, oh boy, I would love to kick that football. And so Sally, she holds the football right here, and Charlie Brown lines up way down the way, and he comes running in as fast as he can. He's going to kick this ball as far as he possibly can, except for what does Sally always do at the last second? What's she do? She pulls it away, right? And then Charlie Brown goes magically flying through the air and spinning, right? He almost never, ever gets to kick this ball. In all of the Charlie Brown stories, guess how many times this happens? Do you think it happens once? Who thinks it happens more than 5 times? Happens more than 5 times. Who thinks it happens at least 10 times? Who thinks at least 20 times? At least 30 times? In all of the comic strips and all of the TV shows, Sally pulls the football away 37 times. Now, if you guys did that to me and you said, hey, Pastor Sam, do you want to kick this football? And then you pulled it away the first time, the second time I might say, okay, they did it once, but they won't do it again. If you did it a second time, then the third time you asked, you know what I would probably say? No. I would say, no way. You're going to pull that football away, and I'm going to go flying through the air, and I'm going to get hurt. But Charlie Brown, he doesn't do that. Every single time, it seems as if he always forgives Sally. And not only does he forgive her, if I were Charlie Brown, I might say, Sally, I forgive you, but I'm not going to do this whole thing with you again because while I forgive you, I don't trust that you're not going to pull the football away. I think that's what I might say. Sally, I forgive you, but I don't trust you to not pull the football away. But every single time, Charlie Brown seems to forgive her. And then they try again, and they move forward together, only for Sally to do what? Pull the football away. Today, we're learning that Jesus does it even better, way better even than Charlie Brown, where every time we sin, he forgives us. And then, not only that, but he says, you know what? We can try again together. There's no sin that you could do against your friend or against Jesus in which he would say, we don't get to try again. Every time, he always forgives you. And then he says, let's try again together. So let's thank God that he always forgives us and he always lets us try again. Let's fold our hands and do a repeat after me prayer. Dear Jesus, thank you for your forgiveness. Thank you for loving me. And thank you for letting me try again. Amen.